We've also added a voice assistant which can read to the website view. And coming to the coaches, we can search for the based on anything, their description, their job, their area, etc. And we assume the person is from Brazil here, so everything is in Portuguese, but the person gets from any language they want. And once you go in, we again have the voice assistant. And the description. And then coming to certifications, we've got all this information from the main website. And we've added the chatbot here because we assume understanding what's happening in the courses could be hard. So you cannot get it in the chatbot and get the information you want. And next, here we've implemented security features for registration. To register, you will have to get an email confirmation. Only then will you be able to sign in. And now we're at the global side as a global admin. We will see how we can create a chapter. We can technically create a chapter for any part of the world. Here we've created a scenario where we're creating a chapter for France. And once we create a chapter, we will be able to see a website which looks very similar to the global site for France. And because for every chapter we have to create slides and we have to give them access, we don't have the time for that, so we only created a Mexico chapter and we give the client access here. So here we introduce the feature to edit the website as we want using AI. We can basically here Pragan is showing editing the about WIN page just to show you an example. This is the information, and once you publish it, the about WIN page will change accordingly. Yeah. But you can change it anyhow you want, but it will look very similar to the global website. And we have the assistance here. And coming to the payments, we've created a structure where the coach can pay to the client and to the global admin, and the client can chapter can pay to the global admin. Here we see the scenario where the coach is paying to the chapter. The coach can see all the pending payments. Once they click on the pay, it directs them to Stripe where they can make the payments pretty securely. It's encrypted. And once the payment is done, the coach will be able to see the history of all the payments they've done. And you can also generate his keys here. And when we go to the chapter side of the website, they have a history of all the payments that are done to them. And also a few pie charts and bar charts to understand. And the global side will also have the payment information of all the chapters so they can pay the back and everything. We posted this on Vine, and the next steps will probably be migration from your websites to the new looking websites. That will be all. Thank you.
Questions? No questions, judges? No? Yeah.
Okay, one question. I noticed that this was posted on localhost. Is there a deployed version? Is there anything?
We posted a universal.
We have hosted a Muscle, but we were facing some issues with the subdomain creation, so that's why we chose to do the demo on localhost.
Any other questions?
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Yep. 1 minute.
You have a minute left. If there's anything you want to add, if there's no questions.
I guess you could elaborate more on the security of the data.
Yeah, that's
so I worked on the database, and during sign-in, the whole the passwords and everything were handled by. First of all, I created a Supabase database, so all the account verification was handled by the Supabase authenticator. Then since we have this Stripe payment as well, that information also needs to be secure, right? So there is a Stripe account ID associated with each this ID is encrypted before it gets stored in the database, so that no one in between can accept and capture that ID, use it for like false fraud transactions or things like that. Then to elaborate more on the text-to-speech thing, we use the models that were available on 11 Labs to do that, the text-to-speech